ओके सुनो, एक बात बतानी है जो तुम मिस नहीं कर सकते। मेरे बाल लिटरली झाड़ू जैसे हो गए थे, रोज उलझते थे, रफ और टल लगते थे। फिर मिला मुझे अल्ट्रा हर्बल केयर का माय हेयरवेल शैम्पू। इसमें है आंवला और भृंगराज जैसे पावरफुल इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो बालों को डीप नरिश करते हैं। अब देखो, शाइन, बाउंस और वो सॉफ्टनेस जो पहले कभी नहीं थी। मम्मी ने भी पूछ लिया, कहीं पार्लर तो नहीं गई थी? सो ट्रस्ट मी, एक बार ट्राई करो, तुम्हारे बाल खुद बोलेंगे थैंक यू।
This UGC ad was made entirely with AI. No models, no studio, no shoot, just smart tools and sharp strategy. I will show you step by step how you can do the same. Don't miss any part of the video, otherwise you will messed up with the UGC style video. So let's start. So the first step is to use ChatGPT and build a story around your product. So here our product is by Ultra Herbal Care. So I'm building a story around everyday hair struggles. Then I asked ChatGPT to help me write a UGC style script that felt natural, playful and relatable. Then hit generate and now our script is ready. You can see the script. And then I am asking ChatGPT to write the dialogues only the model will be saying to in the video. And here I am briefing ChatGPT exactly how I want the dialogues to be. Here I am prompting it to write the dialogues, and in the space between it has to describe the emotions of the model in between brackets. Then hit generate and it will generate the entire dialogue only, so we can copy and paste it to generate the voiceover. Next we will go to ElevenLabs.com to create the voiceover. From this we will choose studio, then we will choose ElevenLab V3 to create ultra realistic voice with emotions. Here I have already pasted my dialogue in it. Then you can choose the voice of the model. Just search for Hindi and you will get several options from here, but I am choosing Ria. I like personally this one. Then hit play and it will start generating and playing the voiceover. Then we will download it from here. So I have created this model for the video. This model is a AI model, and if you don't know how to create ultra realistic models for your videos, I have already uploaded a full YouTube tutorial on how you can make such AI models for your video. Just click the I button above and watch the video. Here we are on Heygen. Here we will make our AI model get animated while talking. So from here we will choose Avatar IV, then upload your model picture and your voice from here. Then we will write a simple prompt here to let the AI know how we want to animate our model. Then we will hit generate and it will start generating the video, and it will take hardly 4 to 5 minutes to create the video. And boom, here our video is ready, and look at this, how realistically the model is talking, and look at the hand gestures. Wow. And simply then download it from here. And we have to repeat this process again and again, because you can upload only 15 seconds of video at a time in a free plan, so you have to repeat the process again and again depending upon the voiceover length. Here we are on ChatGPT again, and I have asked ChatGPT to write a prompt to make our model in different situations and different scenes, like the model is doing shampoo and all. ChatGPT will be writing image prompt for all of the scenes. Then simply we have to copy the prompt and we will go to OpenArt and paste the prompt here. Then we will upload our model image here for consistent character. We'll choose the settings from here and hit generate. And now our model in different scene is ready. Look, she's looking exactly the same. Then you have to just repeat the process again and again to get the multiple shots of the model. Then next we will go to Google VO 2. All the tools I am using here, I will give all the links in the description box. You can check it out from there. Here we are on Google VO. Then we will pick the settings from here. Then we will upload our model picture and we will write a simple prompt to animate the video. Then hit generate and the video is ready. Okay, then we will download it from here. Then again you have to repeat the process again and again and animate the video using VO. Once you have done all the image and videos b-rolls of the model, then you can use any video editing software. Here I am using Capcut. And now our video is ready. I hope you now have a clear idea of how to create ultra realistic UGC videos using AI without a studio, suit or model. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started with more powerful AI content workflows coming your way. Thank you.